conference jams.
Blind man waiting on a dusty road, born in darkness with a heavy load. Jesus kneeling touched the earth and clay. Plain and simple was his chosen way. Go to Siloam, wash and you'll be free. Face step forward into what would be. He walked in blind, came out to believe. One thing I know, now I see. And now I see your light in me. You opened my eyes, you set me free. In every storm, you walk with me. I once was blind, now I see. Some said the method couldn't be divine, just spitting soil mixed into a sign. But God shows power in the things we'd miss. Simple clay becomes a healing gift. Priesthood passing in the sacred line. Hands restoring with authority divine. Mercy reaching through eternity. Love for the living and the dead set free. And now I see your light in me. You open my eyes, you set me free. In every storm, you walk with me. I once was blind, now I see. My healing came through pages worn and true. A book of witness pulling me to you. That book became my guiding rod, a lamp that showed my path to God. Through darkest storms and misty night, it lit my soul with perfect light. When doubts rose up like waves at sea, it whispered faith back in me. And now I see your light in me. You open my eyes, you set me free. In every storm, you walk with me. I once was blind, now I see. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.